everybody, I am Parul Bajoria from West Bengal and my brand is Miharu. We have come to Hyderabad, bring to y'all contemporary jewelry in gold tone made from 4,500 years old, which the craft has been practiced since Indus Valley civilization. So this is a 4,500 years old non-ferrous metal casting. You can see these molds, these are mud molds on which thin strips of wax is used to make the design, which is again covered with layers of mud, and this goes into the furnace where the wax gets burnt out and a hollow cast is left behind, and this is filled with recycled brass which is opened. This necklace is made in brass, recycled brass, and blue turquoise stones, semi-precious stones. These components are made in Dokra, and then in our warehouse they are converted into this beautiful necklace choker and dangling earrings, as you can see. We have ethnic stuff as well as very contemporary stuff. This is a very beautiful choker. This has got geometric design and it can be worn like with western wear also. This is all for western wear clothes, like the shirts when you go to the office. They are very lightweight. The brass is polished so that it does not get black, and you can wear them with Indian as well as western wear during your daily activities. So this is another beautiful necklace. What we have done here is, these are small chunks of dokra and they have been combined with clusters of beads to make this choker. This choker is very adjustable, that can be worn with people like, you know, at any length they want, very close to neck or a little lower if they are wearing sarees or something. These are very festive earrings where the flower is made. This is made in an organic shape. As you can see, the wax is organically used to create the shape, and it is combined with wire work, cluster of beads to make very nice and beautiful huge earrings for all people who love to wear things which catch the eye of other people. These are another top style earrings. Here you can see small circles, concentric circles. The beeswax is used to create thin threads, and each thread is used on a mold to create this design. While it is being casted, even if a single of this falls out, the design is gone wrong. So these are handcrafted in 4,000-year-old Dokra craft. These are in recycled brass. They are treated so that they do not tarnish or get dark. This is a very good example of something which is rooted in craft but made for contemporary audience. Like if you see, these are the threads of wax, but the design is very contemporary, to be worn with dresses as well as with Western, Indian, all kind of wear. This works well. So we've got necklaces which are like, this is a very long necklace. This can be worn like with Western wear. This is a choker which is inspired by natural form of leaves, and together the leaves have combined to form this lightweight choker necklace. Along with it, we have a long necklace which can be worn on single dresses of solid colors. So Dokra is something which has been practiced by humans since last 4,500 years. When I first went to their village and saw the artisans doing that, it was amazing. Like, you know, for so many years, something which continues, isn't it amazing? And we should all be a part of it. So here we are, Miharu, bringing to you this craft by amazing artisans from West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. This is a beautiful Dokra earring where this entire was made in brass. This thing was made in brass in the furnace, and then we complemented it with the chains and some cluster of beads to make it more festive and ornamental. Dokra craft till now was being experienced as a home decor item or something which could be kept in a museum. Now, what I wanted was to be able to use it myself instead of just placing it somewhere at the home. So we converted these into beautiful small chunks. These chunks are made in the furnace in this 4,500-year-old craft. Like you can see this beautiful flower out here. After we collected these, once it was made by the artisans, we bought it in house where we combined them with various kinds of beads. These are beads from Odisha which are made in by hand. They are the semi-precious stones, the orange color and the red color semi-precious stones, which are combined with the dokra chunks to give it a look which is very trendy, and like we can wear it for occasions like parties and all, and you can try them. This is a very beautiful necklace. This is the traditional beads that the Dokra artisans make. In market, you would be able to see this kind of a necklace made in machine made. But for the first time, the original design of these kinds of bead, you can trace it on Google. These are like very old designs, drum shaped beads, and made by the artisans with small round circles as you can see on top. Lighter feel, we've got this necklace. This is a long necklace which is asymmetrical and can be worn with gowns and tops. This is one of the very popular designs in Dokra from our brand Miharu. So here we've used these square beads totally made in wax and then taken out from furnace. We've combined them with some black beads and cluster of golden small beads to give a very nice look to this necklace. These are very special. Each and every bead is made by hand in wax, and that too shaped into square, which is so impossible to believe. An artisan making each small bead into a square by wax, covering each individual bead is covered by mud, and then a channel is left through which the wax comes out and the liquefied brass goes in. So this is a piece which is kind of a genius can only make it. That is our artisans of India. These are people from Dokra cluster which are in West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. All made in recycled brass in 4,500 years back, and the artisans are still practicing it. We are here with Baro Market, my brand Miharu, to present to y'all the craft in a format in which you can use and let the craft live along with you. Please visit my Insta page at Miharu Crafts. Thank you.